Good afternoon to all. I am Subramaniam, working as assistant professor in automobile department at SNS College of Technology. In this session, we are going to see about the electronic injection system, which is different from the traditional injection system. The electronic injection system is an internal combustion engine. It refers to the advanced mechanism that replace the traditional carburetors and mechanical ignition system to achieve the better fuel efficiency, power output, and reduce emissions. Key components of this system include the transferrized coil ignition, that is a TCI system, and capacitive discharge ignition system, which enhances ignition efficiency by electronically managing spark delivery to the engine. So, transferrized coil ignition system, the TCI in short form system, is an advanced ignition technology that relies on the transistors to control the high voltage current supplied to the spark plug. It consists of several components including an ignition coil, a transferrized control module, a battery, and a pickup coil or a crankshaft position sensor. So the TC system uses an electronic control unit ECU to monitor the engine speed and position. A pickup coil senses the crankshaft position and sends the signal to the ECU. The ECU processes these signals and determines the precise timing for the ignition. The transistor in the circuit acts as a switch, allowing the primary coil of the ignition coil to build up magnetic energy when the transistor switches off. The magnetic field collapses, inducing the high voltage. And when the transistor switches off, the magnetic field collapses, inducing high voltage in the secondary coil, and that generates the spark needed for the combustion. Its advantages are the precise ignition timing, improves the fuel efficiency, and reduces emissions. Reliability due to the fewer mechanical components. Adaptability to varying engine conditions for better performance. Next is here the capacitive discharge ignition. The CDI system is another sophisticated electronic ignition method designed for the high speed engines commonly used in motorcycles, marine engines, and small power tools. It offers the rapid energy transfer and the efficient spark generations. The CDI system relies on the computer on the capacitor to store the energy and release it in a burst to create the ignition spark. An alternator generates an alternating current which is rectified and stored in the capacitor. When the ECU or trigger mechanism signals the discharge, the capacitor released is a stored energy to the ignition coil, producing a high voltage spark. The components used here are capacitor, which stores the energy and discharges the energy, and trigger mechanism determine the ignition timings, and ignition coil converts the capacitor discharge into high voltage. Its advantages are the high energy spark ensures combustion even in an extreme condition. Fast spark generation is ideal for the high speed engines and compact and lightweight in design. So while both the TCI and CDI compared serves the purpose of the efficient ignition system, they cater to the different requirements. TCI systems are favored in the automobile where smooth operation and adaptability to varying engine loads are essential. CDI systems with their rapid discharge capability are preferred in the high speed application where timing, precision, and are crucial. Electronic injection system, particularly TCI and CDI, have revolutionized engine ignition by replacing the mechanical method with the precise and efficient electronic controls. These systems enhance the engine performance, reduce emission, and contribute to the smoother driving experience. As automotive technology evolves, these systems continue to play a vital role in meeting environmental and performance standards. Once again, thanks for all watching this video.